Today we're going to break down a Fusion AT gun, probably the one most commonly used guns out there. First thing you do on breakdown, then this cap off. On this cap here, it has 4 holes in the front that you want to make sure you keep clean. If you have a poopy pattern or anything, that's the first thing to check. You have a retainer ring. Got a nylon ring on the inside here. These are the side seals. You pop them off. So the first O-ring. The first O-ring exposed. Then you glue it. That's going to be your most commonly rebuilt item. The mix standard. Numbers on the top. I'll write another type chamber you're going to be using. These side seals here. O-ring, O-ring. And another O-ring on the inside here. We're going to make sure that it's clean. Keep properly. This side has an A on it. Your B side will have nothing on it. These sides the same exact thing. Bottom, your spring, and your sides of it. You know, ring on the inside. Use some of the runners with the spring back in. Cleanse the back in. And you want to use grease on all the door rings. Here you have your check valve. Place outside. And use it inside. Both of them have a screen on them. Screens the material coming into your gun. Cool. Spring. And the ball. So when you're rebuilding is you want to put a fresh O-ring on the front, on the side here, and make sure the housing is thin inside so you don't have any chunks that seals. When you're ready, drop the ball back in. Spring back in. Let me put this screw back in. Keep it flush. It'll allow you to screw it all the way down, but there's no need to. You'll see on here the B side has nothing, and the A side has a very small amount. Our ball rings in the front fluid head. Yeah, one here. Get wires on them, the valve. That's it. Get that in adjuster. There's a small ring in there. You want to grease your gun at the end of every day. Pass it coming. That's where your material comes through your fluid head. Make sure them are clean. Here comes the handle. Comes out. Make sure it's for reassembly. in your chamber. So this is very important. You want to make sure there's no scratches on the face edge of this, and your holes are being your pinch ports on each side. Your A comes in one side, your B comes in the other, mixes and comes out the tip. And the handle, this you're not going to rebuild every time. Or shouldn't have to. That cap off. Put it down. The cutout piece goes on. Goes out. You'll have a spring. A very small O-ring. O-ring. You're gonna avoid it. Two O-rings up there as well. Fitting off. And then your small O-rings. And that's the CS3 O-rings. Two holes. You ever backfill your gun, and this is like you're gonna fill up a hole in here, stain it out, and along with them too. Put fresh O-rings on it, grease it. Bring it in. Fitting. And I'll slide it up. Want to reassemble this, you're gonna want to grease both O-rings. Grease the inner housing. That back in. The O-ring on the cap. And then I'll use those in. And then just hand. And then your chamber, numbers always go up because if you run numbers down, now you're gonna have B coming in, your A coming in, your B, and you're gonna reharden the chamber. That's not clean. Like that. You can see A on there, and you have A on your fluid housing. Usually go on pretty decent. And tight. Air cap. You put your A back in your A. Your B back in your B. And that's your district. Crank that on tight. Back it over forward again. Yeah. Now you have a press gun.